Hey guys, my name is Enoch Sophia and welcome to my YouTube channel once more. Please, if this is your first time here, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the famous Google logo using Adobe Illustrator. So guys, we're just going to dive into making this logo, and first thing first, I'm going to turn on my grid. All you need to do is right click on your mouse and click on show grid. Yeah, there you go. The next thing I'll do is, I think this is too wide, so I just need to make it smaller. Yeah, there you go. Remove feelings and we just clip max this. Make it smaller. Okay. So for us to get the exact size of this logo, what we can do is put this here and click on our shape tool, and then click on ellipse tool. So what you want to do is go over it and make sure your hands are on shift so you can get a perfect circle. Place your hands on shift as you do this. Give it an outline so you know what you're working with. Let's keep this black so it's very well. Yeah. You could adjust this, put your hands on shift as well, and use your mouse to drag. Amazing. So we have our outer circle. Adjust this a little. Put your hands on shift too so and get to, yeah, amazing. I think I prefer this way. Nice. Okay, we have our outer circle. And what we need to do next is, I'll just increase this for now. I like seeing my lines very well. 2, go back to our ellipse tool, and then get another circle while putting your hands on shift. Remember that. And then, yeah, 6 is where it's supposed to be. Put your hands on shift again and adjust the circle with your mouse. And yeah, there you go. What we want to do now is select both the inner circle and the outer circle and align them. You center align them. You know, we're trying to get a perfect job done. So yeah, we have this, and what we need to do next again is go back to make this a fill object, and also make this another fill object, but give it a different fill color, which is black. And then what we want to do is select both of them again and go to our Pathfinder tool. For those of you who are not used to Pathfinder tool, you can find it here on your Windows. Click on Windows and then go down to Pathfinder. Click on it, it will come out. So what we want to do is minus the inner circle from the outer circle. When you hover your mouse on these separate tools, you see what they're for, and this is what we're looking for, minus. So we're minusing this, click on it, and voila, this is what we have. So what we're having now is just a circle with this, and yeah, you can see we can change the colors if we want to, but as well, still working, we just leave it as black. So the next thing we want to do now is try to get our, you can see, let's just send this to the back first. You can see we're having a rectangle shape here. So what we want to do is get this rectangular shape over here, right? We're using the same thing just so we can get the exact size of the logo, but you can actually do it like without drawing on top of the actual logo. So yeah, we have this already, and what we want to do now is send this to the back so we could see. Send to the back. Yeah, so we could see what we have here. Now the next thing we want to do is merge these two different elements, and all you have to do is select them. How do you select? You just click on this, put your hands on shift, and then click on the other. That's how you select. So what we want to do now is merge these two elements together, and where you find merge again is your pathfinder tool. Again, if you're not used to the pathfinder tool, all you need to do is go to your windows, click on pathfinder, and then the toolbar will show up, right? So what we need to look for now is merge. So we'll go over this. This is minus, this is unite, no. Divide, no. Trim, no. This is merge. This is what we want to use now. So you click on that, and voila, everything now is now together. You can see that it's now a whole work. So what we want to continue working with is black. So all you need to do is keep that on black, and again send this to the back. Amazing. So yeah, the next thing you want to do now is look for lines to cut through this very space. We want to make a G, right? So all we need to do now is place our lines, come to your line segment tool, click on it, and then draw a line over at this place.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it.
A whole lot of designs out there. A whole lot of people have their own version of how they design or come about the Google logo. But this is how I know how to do it. There's so many ways to get it right, and this is one way. So when you get that, you want to I always want to increase my outline because I love it. Yeah. And what you want to do now is make sure that this is aligning. It doesn't really have to be perfect per se. Yeah. Make sure you have this, and yeah, increase this a little.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside
you, so we're still adjusting this. This is okay. What we need to do now is duplicate this and flip it. Yeah. I think I have to show you how I did that. So if you want to flip, just click on it and then come to your property bar. You would see this very icon here. Just click on it and it will flip. So what we have to do now is adjust. Same way we did the other. Just adjust. We could actually do this without putting the logo on the board, but we just want to do this, right? We can actually do it without this. So yeah, we have this, and let's check if there we go. Perfect.
It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all.
Perfect. So yeah, we want to do this, and right after now, we also want to we also want to include another line here, right here. We also want to include another line right here. You would know why we did that. When we start using the shape builder tool, we're doing it rather. You know why we're doing it rather. So another thing you want to make sure you are doing is this very line should meet this one here. Let's adjust this. Yes. Even love the yellow to be more, so you could turn this a little. Yeah. Perfect. So yeah, this is all we need right now, right? And at this junction or at this moment, we could actually remove what we've been working on, our references. Remove it, and then make sure that our grids are we're working with them. So we just need to check if these two lines are equal, not four. And reasons it doesn't have to be, because we're going to have to take them out of the logo after now. And so there's some logos that you really need to check your grid system, and there's some, not all. So for this one, I think we're doing well, we're doing fine, and I think we need to adjust this a little bit more. Shape this to the back a little. Yes. Right after now, all we want to do is select everything that is here, right, and go to what they call a shape builder tool. So all you need to do is just hover your mouse on your tool, and it will just give you the name of the very tool you're looking for. So yeah, this is the shape builder tool. Click on it, and all you want to do is come here and make sure that your foreground and your background, they are not filled, they're empty. It has to say you're going to make any clicks, you're going to be deleting a particular element or shape. Yeah, so once you get your shape builder tool, all you need to do now is click on it, and yes, and you can see that G is gone. Our G is now very obvious, right? So one more thing we need to do here is make sure we need to get rid of these lines. So you can easily just click on it and click on your delete, and then it goes off. You can see that this thing is coming to life little by little. And now that we've gotten this, we do not need this line anymore. You could also delete that as well. But then we need the other lines, because we will need to. There's still one more line here. Okay, let's leave that for now. We would handle that later. We would need to color, give the different segments of this very logo their different colors. So we would use the shape builder to achieve that as well. So all you need to do now is go to your eyedropper to pick on this blue, and then click out. Come back in here, select, go back to your shape builder tool, and all you need to do is click on the part you want to color blue. Voila, you've gotten your blue. Yeah, so this is what we are looking for. Then we'll do the same thing for the others. Come out, get your eyedropper tool. There you go back again, select everything, and then go to your shape builder tool again and click on the part you want to make green. Dope, right? Yeah, amazing. Then the next one is the yellow color. Go to your eyedropper tool, click on the yellow color, go back here, select once more, and go to your shape builder tool and click on where you want the yellow to be. Same thing goes for the red. Click on pick out, select, and use your shape builder tool right here. There you go. So yeah, we've gotten all we have been looking for. And right now we'll get rid of the things we don't need anymore, which are the lines.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters,
Which are the lines that we're seeing now, right? So sorry for that. So what we need to do is click on delete, come here, the same thing, come here, the same thing, come here, the same thing. And for this one, we have to remove the outlines. This as well, remove the outlines. Yeah, we're good to go. And we'll delete this, and we'll delete this. Mind you, there's still lines that we would love to get rid of, like this one. So you have to zoom in, delete, and there's still more lines. So what you need to do now is click on this, right? No, select separately the different sections of this logo. We have the red, we have the blue, the red, sorry, the yellow, the green, red, okay, the red and the green are together, and then all we need to do is shift it out. Let's group this, and then come over here, select, okay. We don't have any more lines, so we're good to go actually. We're good to go. We are good to go. So here you go. This is the famous Google logo. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Follow me for more tips. I'm going to be showing you a lot of things that you can do with Adobe Illustrator, Figma, Canva, and general text. You know, easy way out, easy ways to do things. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can